Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Monday, October 23, 2023 on our channel. Modine expands manufacturing and engineering presence in Europe for EVantage product line. Transcritical CO2 market size, analysis report 2030. Schmitz Cargobull showcase efficient and sustainable transport solutions at Solutrans 2023. GEODIS opens new Schiphol-Rijk temperature-controlled facility. Dachser and Daikin opened a new warehouse in Germany. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Modine expands manufacturing and engineering presence in Europe for EVantage product line. To support the growing global commercial electric vehicle (EV) market, Modine, a leader in engineering and manufacturing vehicular thermal management solutions, announced that it will expand production of its EVantage thermal management systems product family to Europe. Beginning in 2024, Modine's facility in Pontevico, Italy, will manufacture battery thermal management and electronics cooling systems for heavy-duty, commercial, and specialty vehicle manufacturers across the continent. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Transcritical CO2 market size, analysis report 2030. The transcritical CO2 market size is expected to grow from $48,529.81 million in 2023 to $140,931.01 million by 2030. It is estimated to record a CAGR of 16.5% from 2023 to 2030. Market overview. Transcritical CO2 systems offer several advantages over other types of refrigeration systems. The systems are environmentally friendly, efficient, and cost-effective. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Schmitz Cargobull showcase efficient and sustainable transport solutions at Solutrans 2023. Under the motto in Quat, efficient and sustainable transport solutions in Quat, Schmitz Cargobull will be represented at this year's Solutrans 2023 trade fair in Lyon with a wide range of vehicles and innovative new service and product solutions. Brand new in the product portfolio and presented to the public for the first time are the Curtainsider S. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. GEODIS opens new Schiphol-Rijk temperature-controlled facility. Global logistics provider GEODIS has officially started the operation of its new 5,500 square meters site in Schiphol on October 6. Services to the pharma and healthcare sectors will be provided. This new location is next to the existing site and will expand GEODIS' footprint in pharma and AMP, healthcare, which is already well established at the logistics operator's Venlo site with a significant presence in contract logistics for customers in both sectors. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Dachser and Daikin opened a new warehouse in Germany. On the 17th of October, Dachser and Daikin festively opened a new warehouse which will further support Daikin with its logistics across Germany. Daikin Germany has steadily increased warehouse capacity over the past years, primarily driven by the need to adapt storage capacity to match the growth of our distribution operations. With the new warehouse, Daikin is gearing up for the future. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.